Claude Phone destroys OpenClore, something wild just dropped in the open source world. A free Android app that gives Claude actual hands. No cloud, no subscription, just your phone running AI tasks while you sleep. It searches your files, reads PDFs, browses the web, and creates or edits documents all on device. This is the future of AI on mobile, and it's already here. Now let's get into it, because this might be the most exciting open source AI release of 2026. It's called PhoneClore. It's open source, it's free, it lives on your Android phone, and it uses the Claude API to run a full agentic loop entirely on device. PhoneClore is inspired by Claude Bow and Claude Code, and attempts to rebuild the agent loop for Android phones natively, acting as your personal assistant with access to all your apps. That's huge, because most AI tools are chat interfaces. You type something, it replies. Done. Nothing actually gets done for you. PhoneClore is different. It's an agent. That means it plans, it takes steps, it executes tasks, then it reports back. Think of it like hiring a digital employee that lives inside your pocket and never clocks out. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he's out helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to bring you the freshest AI updates every single week. Julian reads every comment personally, so drop one below and let him know what you think of this one. It can automate multi-step app workflows on Android using the accessibility service, generate scripts at runtime for flexible and adaptive automations, use vision-assisted UI targeting to click controls without hard-coded coordinates, read visible on-screen text and values for branching and validation, and chain actions across apps, browser, email, media, messaging inside a single flow. Let me break that down into plain English. You tell it. Search my downloads folder for the AI Profit Boardroom proposal PDF, pull out the key numbers, and draft a follow-up email to the client. It does that, start to finish, without you touching another button. That's not ChatGPT. That's not just a chatbot. That's an agent doing real work on your phone. Now, here's the thing that makes this especially powerful for business owners. PhoneClore can schedule automations with cron-like timing for recurring tasks and build flows that adapt to different device sizes, layouts, and language settings, so you can set it up once, and it runs on repeat. Imagine this. Every morning at 7 a.m., your phone agent pulls the latest AI news, summarizes it, and drafts 3 content ideas for your next video or post. You wake up and the work is already done. That's what we're building toward inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Real AI automation that saves your team hours every week. And PhoneClore is one of the tools making that happen right now. If you want to get inside the boardroom and see how we're using tools like this to automate client acquisition, content, and outreach, the link is in the comment and description. Check it out. Now let's talk about how this thing actually works under the hood. PhoneClore runs in the background inside Termux on a Tmux session. You can interact with it over messaging apps like Discord and use it like a normal agent, but also do phone hardware tasks if needed. No root required, no jailbreak, no special hardware. You can get started with a Moto G 2025 prepaid smartphone in the US. Let that sink in. The barrier to entry for this stuff is basically zero now. Here's where it gets really interesting for the way PhoneClore understands your screen. At the foundation is Droidrun, an open source mobile AI agent framework. It combines 2 approaches to understand what's on screen. Vision models, where a multimodal LLM looks at the device screenshot and interprets the UI visually, and an accessibility tree, which is the structured representation of every UI element with properties and coordinates. By fusing both signals, the agent knows what it's looking at and where to interact. This is serious engineering. It's not guessing what's on your screen, it sees it like a human would, and knows exactly where to tap. PhoneClore uses vision to locate a target described in plain language, then taps the best matching UI element through the accessibility service. So when you say open my email and find the message from the client about the proposal, it doesn't need hard-coded coordinates or a custom app integration. It just looks at the screen, finds it, and taps it like a human would. Now let me show you what this looks like in practice for growing a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. Say I want to build a simple daily lead generation workflow. Here's how I'd set it up. I prompt PhoneClore with something like, every morning at 8 a.m. search for new posts in the AI Profit Boardroom community, identify any members asking questions about AI tools, pull out their usernames and questions, then draft personalized replies for each one and save them to a file called Boardroom Replies TXT. Done. Now let me be honest with you, because I always tell you the truth on this channel. PhoneClore is powerful, but it's not plug and play. There were a few tweaks required to get it working reliably on Android. OpenClore really wants to create a directory in Chop TMP and use it for everything, but because you're on raw Termux, you don't have access to the YOT TMP directory of Android. Basically, there's some setup involved. It's not scary. But if you've never touched a terminal before, there's a small learning curve. The good news, there are now multiple flavors of this project that make the install easier. One version is a standalone Flutter app with a built-in terminal, web dashboard, and one-tap setup. It sets up a full Ubuntu environment via Proot, installs Node.js and OpenClore, and provides a native Flutter UI to manage everything. No root required. So even if you're not technical, you can get this running with a single tap install. And it supports multiple AI providers right out of the box, including Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini, OpenRouter, NVIDIA NEM, DeepSeek, and XAI. So you're not locked into one model. You pick the brain, you control the agent. Now let's zoom out, because this isn't just about one app. What PhoneClore represents is a massive shift in how AI works. We're moving from AI you talk to AI that acts for you. OpenClore and projects built on top of it have seen real adoption among small businesses and freelancers for automating lead generation workflows, including prospect research, website auditing, and CRM integration. This is real. Businesses are already replacing hours of manual work with these agents, and PhoneClore puts that power on the device that's already in your pocket. The question is, are you going to be one of the people using this stuff, or are you going to watch other businesses pull ahead while you're still doing things manually? Let me also flag something important. Security, because software like this can access email accounts, calendars, messaging platforms, and other sensitive services. Misconfigured or exposed instances present security and privacy risks. The agent is also susceptible to prompt injection attacks, in which harmful instructions are embedded in data with the intent of getting the LLM to interpret them as legitimate user instructions. So be smart about this. Don't give your agent access to things it doesn't need. Keep your API keys private. And don't install random third-party skills or plugins you can't verify. Used correctly, this is an insane productivity tool. Used carelessly, it can become a liability. Treat it like you would any powerful business tool, with respect, all right? Let's recap the big picture. PhoneClore is a free open source Android app that turns your phone into a 24/7 AI agent powered by Claude. It can search files, read PDFs, fetch from the web, create documents, edit files, automate multi-step app workflows, schedule recurring tasks, and do all of this on device. No cloud required. It supports Claude, GPT, Gemini, and more, and it's only getting better. The open source AI agent space is exploding right now, and the people who figure this out early are going to have a massive edge over those who don't. If you want to see how we're using AI agents like this to automate client outreach, content creation, and community management inside a real business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Learn how to automate your business with on-device AI agents like PhoneClore, save hundreds of hours every year, and scale faster with a community of serious operators. Link in the description. And if you're just getting started with AI and want access to our full library of 100 plus AI use cases, templates, and SOPs completely free, join the AI Success Lab. Over 45,000 members are in there right now, using AI to get ahead. You'll get all the video notes from today, plus instant access to our community. Link in the comments and description.